Questo è un trattamento K18 che ripara i capelli danneggiati a livello molecolare in soli 4 minuti. Ripristina la forza e l'elasticità del capello e l'effetto è visibile in qualsiasi tipo di capello. Adesso vi faccio vedere come si utilizza. Accortezza prima di iniziare. I capelli vanno lavati con lo shampoo, ma non trattati con balsamo o maschere, se no questo trattamento K18 non sarà effettivo al 100%, per cui usate solo shampoo nel lavaggio. L'apertura si può conservare solo un anno, mi raccomando, fate attenzione. I capelli sono lavati e tamponati, ma non fradici, ma neanche troppo asciutti. Basta veramente una piccola quantità di K18. Così, poi dovete strofinare bene fino a che le mani risultino bianche in questa maniera e poi procedete non sulle radici, mi raccomando, solo sulle ciocche dei capelli qua e poi fate anche dall'altra parte. Dopo, mi raccomando, attendete 4 minuti, non meno, di più va benissimo, ma deve essere almeno 4 minuti e dopo procedete con lo styling. Potete usare dopo il K18 il leave-in, la mousse, tutto quello che volete, però i 4 minuti sono di dovere.
I love K18. It is better than Olaplex in my opinion. It's really helped my bleached hair. I'm growing my hair back out natural, so it's just really helped keep it just better. And I don't need to get any more haircuts, like major haircuts due to damage. So yeah, this works in 2 different ways on your hair strand, and Olaplex only works in 1 different way. So this just is better in my opinion and most people's opinions. So the 2 things. First thing, an instruction, if you did not know this, when you put it in your hands, you don't want to immediately just like put it in your hair. You want to go like this and make sure that it is pasty white before you put it in. So that can take up to like 30 seconds. So remember to do that. That's a huge step. It activates the product, makes your hair so much softer, and it's just overall what you need to do. And I don't know why they did not put that in their instructions. Also, see this little hole right here? Yeah, well, I noticed it the other day. So here's an incense. I'm sticking it in here, okay? Excuse my nails. And pull it out. So it is literally only half the amount that we think it is. That's bullcrap, and I think they should change that if they're gonna sell this for 75 bucks. So there's my review. Honestly, I would buy this again though, but I'm really gonna like try to reach out to K18 and see if they can, I don't know, change the way that they design this. So there's my review. Thanks, bye-bye.
If you're like me and you love dyeing your hair and changing it up, honestly, over time it damages your hair. And this K18 leave-in repair hair mask is absolutely fantastic. I've done some things to my hair and I'm telling you, this stuff works fantastic to help with the split ends, breakage, all the things. So it comes in a little pump bottle. I honestly thought the bottle would be bigger, but you honestly do not need a lot, and it will start repairing your hair in minutes. So highly recommend.
I just filmed like a 5-minute video on doing this product review. I'm scrapping it. Let's just throw it out there. Probably the most talked about hair care product on social media right now. K18's mask. Buy it. I like it. 8 out of 10. Because I don't use it alone, I do condition my hair when directions tell you don't condition it. Put this in with only shampooing your hair. and then you put this in when it's like towel dried and brush it through your hair. I still condition my hair. I use this when my hair is dry. That gives me confidence knowing I'm putting in like a taming serum into my hair, but it's doing something. It's actively restoring my hair. Great gift because it is pricier. I personally will purchase this again.
This was recommended to me by my hairdresser. As someone who bleaches and colors my hair, this has saved my ends. It helps with breakage. It repairs the damage, and you just leave it in after you shampoo. You don't condition it in the shower. You just shampoo and then put this on as a leave-in as your conditioner. And it is a little pricey, but it has made a world of difference in repairing damage. So love this.
El GPA, el GPS, y no me dejan ver para dónde voy a coger, ¿viste? En un minuto me hizo 10 llamadas, en un minuto. No le contesté, ahora cuando me levanté, le pasé ya el dinero. Mamá, voy a cambiar el número de teléfono